here at the comic book shop on Main Street today for Free Comic Book Day. The event started back in 2002, where publishers give away books to retailers, to waiting fans, basically to generate promotion for the industry, usually backed off against a major motion picture blockbuster release. This year, for Avengers. Let's take a look at some people we talked to in line. So, guys, here for Free Comic Book Day.
Wait,
This is what some of them, this is what I've heard. So, you told me you've been here since 7:30 in the morning?
Yeah.
So you've been here for just about almost 3 hours then?
Yeah.
So just out of curiosity, what time did you go to bed last night?
1.
Oh, wow, so you've really been burning the midnight oil. Jackson, dressed up like Spider-Man. We have Sophia, sporting some Optimus Prime gear. And we have Joshua, the whole Justice League, all in one right there. So what are you guys here for? Okay, so we're getting comics for free, gonna buy something. Excellent. And so you got your proton pack there? Perfect. Is that a 6-shooter or just a regular gun on the back? It's a 6-shooter. All right, well, you go get them. So are you thinking of just grabbing something specific, or are you here for everything?
Here for everything, but one thing specific for Doctor Who stuff.
So now, just out of curiosity, Rob, just a quick question: have you seen Avengers yet? No, not that yet. Seeing it after. Oh, okay. So plans for this day. Cool. Yeah. And so I'm here with Harley Quinn,
Hi.
known associate of the Joker,
Yeah.
and we're here for Free Comic Book Day.
Oh yeah.
And so I hear you've had quite a few fans so far today.
Oh yeah, absolutely. There's been a ton of people waiting in line all day. It's great.
And a lot of pictures. I've
Oh
seen.
yeah, I love getting my picture taken.
Well, I have heard that about you.
What do you mean? What do you mean?
Well, particularly on wanted posters.
Oh yeah, I try to get my best side on that. Oh.
Excellent. And Chelsea, you're dressed up as.
Zatanna Zatara from DC Comics.
Oh, okay, perfect, very nice. Now, have you been to Free Comic Book Day before?
Yes, last year.
Oh, okay, so this is like your second year in a row. So, just a quick question: is this the first time you've been to Free Comic Book Day, or?
No, every year since it started.
Cool. So, do you have certain issues that you're looking to pick up, or
Just get everything.
just grab everything that's available?
Yeah.
Excellent. So, any particular issues you're thinking about picking up, or just gonna grab everything?
I think I'm gonna take everything. I'd like to see what all the different companies are working on.
Right, cool.
I really like DC,
Sure.
and Marvel has some good ones that I saw that was coming up. Like
Oh, okay.
like Spider-Man, season 1.
Okay.
I looked them all up on the internet before I always come.
Perfect. So now, do you find that any of the stuff that you sample for free, does that ever lead you to sort of pick up some of the stuff that the publishers put out later on?
Oh, of course. Sometimes you pick up something that you normally wouldn't.
Right.
Read it, enjoy it, and then go buy them.
Perfect. Okay. Excellent. And so they give away a ton of books that I can see people
Oh,
that come
yeah.
in like this many books.
Of course, yeah.
So they've got a lot of them in there that they're giving away.
Absolutely, for lots and lots of people.
Now, but here's the question of the hour, though: do they have any starring you?
You know, I didn't look.
So you don't know if you're in any.
I don't know. See, I thought that because they were free, it kind of defeats the purpose to steal them.
This is true. This
You
is
know?
true. But have you seen Avengers yet?
Yes, I saw it yesterday.
And what's your quick?
It was amazing.
Smart.
I'm seeing
Really?
again tomorrow.
So now, if they ever make a Zatanna movie, I'm sure that you'll be like the first in line.
Yes.
Perfect. Thank you very much, Chelsea, and have a good rest of the day.
See any that had me on it.
What we need to do then, we need to start a campaign to make sure that you're in a book next year.
That would be great. I would love that.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Deal?
Yeah.
We'll get the petition online.
Okay. Petition me.